That was very good.
So good. Dude, yes.
Woo! It's gonna be sore tomorrow.
So scary. Do your fingers start to bleed after a while?
Yeah, sometimes. You used to do super glue.
You ready?
I've been ready. I've been waiting to come here and teach you more freestyle tricks
Do your
for
intro.
a long time. Hi, my name is Mike Osterman. I'm a freestyle skateboarder from the Long Beach area. Bay Area? Yeah, sure. And today I'm going to teach Aaron Kyro some freestyle tricks.
Aaron Kyro, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. We're gonna learn some freestyle tricks. How many?
How many do you want to learn?
I think we just go for it. All right, give me the first trick.
So,
Not too hard, but hard enough.
not too hard. So you've got some footwork.
And you can use obstacles too if you want.
Cool. I mean, maybe. You've got some footwork, so I kind of want to stick with footwork stuff.
Okay.
We talked about the flamingo a little bit in the last video.
Yeah.
So flamingos are a footwork trick. It's kind of like
It's hard.
yeah, it's hard to explain too. But basically this is what it is. You'll basically pivot off the front wheel in an arc, in a 180 arc, and then pivot back to regular stance. Andy Anderson actually taught me the trick to these, right?
Yeah.
You'll have your front foot covering every bolt on your front truck except for a little shred of that front heel side
Oh,
bolt.
Andy Anderson taught you this?
Yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
think he taught us this in a video, and I
has
completely
really-
forgot.
He has really good flamingos. So if you kind of have your foot right around there, and
Yeah.
everyone's different. So some people like to have it a little bit farther forward, a little bit farther back. But I find having it right over those bolts helps.
Okay.
Have your foot at a little bit of an angle,
Okay.
just like that.
Okay.
Start by swinging your shoulders into the trick.
Okay.
Now, yeah. You only want to do the 180, so just a 180 rotation. Yeah, there you go, there you go. And then
Oh, that was amazing.
that was so good. I definitely thought I was gonna run into you.
Flamingo dodged him. Oh, wow. Boy, you're crushing it.
Yeah, that was
Nice.
so good. Pivot back. Go back to
pivot
regular
back?
stance. There you go. So like when you're in a freestyle contest and you do your line, you
Yeah.
do like 4 rolling tricks going that way,
Yeah.
you get to the end of the course and then you do a flamingo to change directions and then you go back across.
That's a risky change of direction right there.
Straight
Now
up.
it's stylish, you gotta be risky.
Directions, you just turn around. Okay, let's see.
So good, yes. And now you're ready for contests. Like, that's
I'm ready.
a routine right there
I'm ready.
in the amateur division.
Just gotta clean up the style a little bit, you're good.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'll work on it.
Super good. Coconut wheelie?
Whatever you want.
So you called me trying to learn coconut wheelies like a
Yeah.
month ago,
Yep.
and I was busy at medieval times. They would have kicked me out, man. And they're not nice about that. They like the swords and stuff. But yeah, the coconut wheelie is a really fun one. It's a lot of it is about just how you pick the board up.
Yeah.
The trick to the trick is really just picking up the board. I find having your back foot hanging off a ton helps.
Kind of skidded a little bit. I did basically the same thing in the video where I literally went from maybe an inch. I need this in super slow-mo.
So if you notice, like when I'm doing it, my foot is contacting the wheel, so my back foot catches the wheel, like here.
Whoa.
It's not waiting until the board is vertical
Okay.
to catch it. It's actually catching it like here, and that's when the board stops rotating. Dude, yeah, totally.
That makes a lot of sense. That was money. If I would have been rolling, I would have been rolling. Okay, now I really understand.
You've
it now.
seriously improved on those in just a few weeks.
Once you start to understand it, that's what it's all about.
That was it. That was golden.
That was very
So
good.
good.
That was very good.
Need to do a
All right,
bit
get your
more,
back.
bit more comfortable.
It's so much better than everyone else's.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it.
That was really good. Shoot, what were we gonna talk about? What was the next one? Spacewalks. Have you done spacewalks before?
Yeah, once with you, but it wasn't like, wasn't that
You
good.
did that with Andy.
Huh?
With Andy. All the tricks that you
No, I
learned
did it
before,
with
you
him
did
too.
it with Andy, right?
I recently watched the video. I'm trying to learn freestyle. Yeah, but I did it with Mike. I don't understand it.
Spacewalks are done by spacewalks are done by swooping back and forth in like a manual, right? It's sort of like tic tacs, but with your wheels off the ground. So
See how
yeah, you use your hips and your shoulders to sort of like swing back and forth, and it allows you to kind of get momentum forward, just like a tic tac.
So it's all in the pressure of your toe and
Pressure
heels.
of your toe and heels too. That's what helps you get the smooth arc. And then combine that with your shoulders and hips, and you start dancing. Dude, yes.
You just got to commit to that toe side more, Aaron.
Now slow down with it. Slow down and you can let that tail skid. It's not a bad thing, and it's gonna help you get deeper into each spin, into each carve.
toe side turn, heel side turn.
So you're all on the back foot.
Nah, that helped you figure it out.
Just changed how you do your spacewalks, 100%. That's crazy.
More toe side.
Now if we just put some music on and just have you do that while you're listening to music, it'll give you a rhythm to it.
I was really working my hips, my legs, right here. Woo!
It's gonna be sore tomorrow.
Give me another one.
That was probably better than anyone you've done.
Yeah, I feel like.
That was awesome. I feel like we hit it. Dude, yeah. Rail to rail, it's just starting in rail stand. So you start with the board from the side. And I do straight rail to rail. So it doesn't rotate like a shove it, it just goes.
That is so hard.
Literally, Uzi did that yesterday.
That looks so hard.
Or no, he did the front one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so how do you do
A
that?
lot of it is just timing, but now, compared to a varial rail flip, so what you've done in the past,
Yeah.
you're gonna have your foot closer to the wheels. The closer your foot is to the wheels when you're doing a rail flip, the less the board tends to rotate like a shove it. Does that make sense? It's gonna flip straighter.
In theory, it makes sense. If I just land it like that, that's like a half one, right?
And I would suggest actually having the board this way, so you're flipping off the nose, because the nose of that board tends to be better for rail flip.
Right?
See, that was closer to the rail.
Yeah, literally, you should just do the rail to rail.
Oh, just a rail to rail.
Land on that
Just
primo.
Rail to rail. I'm taking that, boy. Okay, now let's do the other ones.
Okay,
The Rolo.
the Rolo. Yeah.
Okay, and then how do you do this part?
For this
thing?
part, I kind of press down my nose. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, so use that right foot to roll the board over.
So scary. First try?
I think you got it first.
Jamba Juice.
Dang it.
I had traumatic childhood experiences with this part.
There you go.
Yeah, so with that part, you only use one foot to roll it over. So the same way that you were doing this before, you were only using your right foot. Try to just use one foot to push it over.
I need a cast for my finger.
Dang it. So close.
I got this.
No way! And you did the Casper out.
One foot motion.
Yeah, use one foot. Just use one foot.
When you spin it, 1 foot.
So pogos are a little tough on this kind of floor, slick floors. But a pogo is like a pogo stick, like it says.
Yeah.
It involves pulling the board up and hopping on the board.
Maybe it's easier on the wood?
Yeah, probably. Let's do it.
Both hands. You got it with both hands though.
Yeah, so once it's upright and it's on your foot, or your foot's on the board, I should say, your other hand wants to come around and stabilize the board.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can either grab the side of the board like this, or you can grab the truck. Doesn't really matter where your other hand is, as long as it's kind of stabilizing the board and holding it at a comfortable angle. You need to do little hops, and it's important to remember to keep your left foot or your other foot kind of dangling behind you. So if you're all kind of cramped up like this, like in a ball, it's really hard to balance. But that other foot acts as a counterbalance for your shoulders. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. That was it. Yeah.
Take a breath, Aaron. Slow it down.
That was it.
That was it.
100% it. All right, let me get a couple good ones.
Oh, that was good.
Let's go.
Do your fingers start to bleed after a while?
Yeah, sometimes. We used to do super glue over the fingertips at contests. So they would bleed. But yeah, it's fun.
Should we try the finger tray for a little bit?
Okay. Oh, should we do the finger tray flip? Yeah?
Okay, Mike, you just do one finger tray flip,
Yeah.
and we'll watch you, and that's all we need.
So, tail stop, grab the nose with your back hand. You pull the board across your body while pushing down with your thumb to throw it into a tray flip. Land on the grip tape. Yeah.
It's all in that. Look at the wrist.
Okay. What? That was so good. Was that it? That was it. Dude, what?
Boy.
Rolling 360.
Let's go!
That's crazy. Come on, Aaron.
Let's go! That's so good.
Woo!
Thanks for watching, everybody.
How many tricks did we learn? 5, 6?
6, 7?
Six.
I don't even know.
I need to keep practicing this a lot. My fingers feel like they're bleeding. It's like
Yeah.
internal
You
bleeding.
need finger tape. Finger tape helps big time.
You can buy finger tape at waltzskateboarding.com.
I got you.
It's in the description below.
Got all these boards too. Freestyle boards, wheels, skid plates, everything you need to learn this at waltzskateboarding.com. You can find my trick tips to learn more of these tricks in the description below as well on my YouTube channel.
And we want all you guys to learn the tricks. And after you learn them, just put them in on Instagram. You can go to that other link that's LTSC, Learn to Skate Challenge, because we want to see your guys' tricks.
Tag us too on
We
Instagram.
do. Please tag us, because I cannot wait to see what people are coming up with on this. It's amazing.
Can you do pogos better than Aaron?
Thank you so much for teaching me.
Dude, I can't believe you learned all of those so fast. The pogos, that's like not an easy trick for anybody.
I need to take more time on it.
It takes so long. So like to see you learn that many, to be able to hop that many times so soon, like that's crazy.
You guys got it too.
Good work, sir.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, even you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. Let's go.